Imagine going from a startup in a small Australian apartment to a $40 billion design empire in just over a decade. This is the story of Canva, the design tool that democratized creativity and changed the way the world creates visuals. But how did Canva rise to become a global powerhouse, and what can we learn from its incredible journey? Let's dive in. The birth of Canva. Canva was founded in 2012 by Melanie Perkins, a young entrepreneur from Australia. She initially struggled to get funding, facing multiple rejections. The idea started when she noticed how difficult it was for students to design yearbooks and posters. Instead of giving up, she teamed up with Obrecht and Cameron Adams to bring Canva to life. The disruptive power of Canva eliminated the need for expensive and complex software like Photoshop. Its drag-and-drop interface made design accessible to beginners. It provided thousands of free templates, allowing users to create designs in minutes. Businesses, marketers, and influencers quickly adopted it for social media, content, branding, and presentations. Growth and success. In just a few years, Canva became a unicorn startup with a valuation of over $40 billion. It expanded beyond graphic design into video editing, website creation, and AI-powered tools. Celebrities, Fortune 500 companies, and even political campaigns now use Canva for their branding. It continues to evolve with features like magic resize, AI-driven design suggestions, and team collaboration tools. With AI and automation shaping the future, what's next for Canva? Will it completely replace traditional design tools, or will it inspire the next wave of creative startups? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and business deep dives.